Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two USB-C wall chargers, surge protectors, and outlet extenders. So on the left I got the ADDTAM, and on the right I got the QINLIANF. So the ADDTAM retails for about $22. It is on a lightning deal right now for $13. This one on the right retails for $20, and it's on sale for $16 right now. So this one is a little bit better one, I think. Okay, so these have a lot in common, but one of the main differences is this one here has a screw that you can use to tie into your electrical outlet, and this one does not. So they both operate under the same theory. You're going to plug them in. There's this little prong here that's going to go into the opposite plug right underneath it. But again, this one over here does have a screw. They're both surge protectors. They both provide about the same amperage, 5 volts, 4.8 amps on this one out the USB and USB-C port. This one is 4.5 amps at 5 volts. But again, you can see the outlets are kind of positioned the same. It's kind of the same thickness. You know, this one is a little bit bigger. This one is a little bit smaller. Okay, so here I have my outlet. You're simply going to, on this one, you're going to just plug it in, line it up, and it just plugs in. The little green light on there lets you know that the surge protection is working. You can see it kind of sticks out a little bit, so let's open this one. This one, you will have to take that little screw out. Now you're going to take that screw out, but you're going to leave the cover on. Now you don't necessarily have to use the screw, but I like to use the screw because then it just makes it more secure. It's not going to unplug partly. Here we got the screw. The screw is going to go all the way through, and it's going to screw into the outlet. And again, there is a little green LED light to let you know that the surge protection is working. This one does hug the wall just a little bit better. So neither one can fast charge an iPhone, but they do charge an iPhone and Samsung phones out either port. They both are rated at 1,875 watts. So again, let's just kind of take a look. You can see this one on the right is a little bit bigger, but they both have the exact same spacing as far as the plug-in. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.